guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a review and also what fits on this beautiful Coach Kip Crossbody bag. And I think I got this a few weeks ago and I am loving it. And this one is part of the original collections in the Pride Rainbow Signature Canvas. So this one right here is made up of canvas. The back as well, right here where you could actually see those logos. The rainbow logo, wow, the logo is actually, the signature logos right here is so vibrant. I just love those beautiful pop of colors. It looks amazing. And I think this one is part of the originals collection. I love the detail on this purse. I love the fact that the trim right here on the side, which is actually made up of leather. I think this one is made up of gloved leather, is actually beautiful. The saddle color and the contrasting stitching as well makes it even special. So this one has a turn lock closure right here. Open it like this. And on the inside, wow, the flap is actually made up of, is actually lined with leather as well, and it's in its ox blood color. The inside is the same thing, but this one is not lined with leather, but rather this one is lined with fabric, which is a very high quality fabric. This is not a checkered material, but rather this one is lined with this beautiful fabric lining, and it just feels luxurious though. It actually doesn't feel cheap at all. It just feels luxurious. So the inside of the back right here, there's a flat pocket, the patch grid right here, and also this one has 2 card slots. Okay, so let me close this once again. This one has a brass hardware right here, and also this hang tag right here, which also has a rainbow. The side trimming is very nice. At the back, there is a slip pocket right here at the back. If you wanted to put your phone, this one is actually gorgeous. This one has a top handle, and this purse would not stand on its own. That's because right now it has a strap right here, but with my experience with this purse, this would not stand on its own. That's because this one right here actually designed on more likely a round part right here, the round part that makes this purse would not stand on its own. So anyway, this one has a strap. The strap is actually, it's quite long, which is also in saddle color as well. This one, the strap is removable, which is a nice thing, where you could just literally use this as a clutch. So yeah, just carry the top handle right here, which is also nice. Okay, so this is the Kip Crossbody bag. It is so cute. I love this. It's like so convenient and it's just so easy to carry. Now let's see what fits on this beauty right here. So I have the 6 key ring holder right here. I have the card holder. This is actually one of my favorite Coach in my collection. I have a smaller phone here. This is the 6 phone, and then this is the 7 Plus. This one is just to give you a little bit of a reference on what fits in this beauty in here. I have the hand cream. I also have the AirPods right here, my lipstick, and then a perfume, and also the mirror right here. I know that all of this would not fit on the purse, but I'll just give you a little bit of an idea though. It fits on this crossbody bag. So let me start with key holder right here. This is a Louis Vuitton 6 key holder right there. It fits perfectly right there. We need a card holder. Pretty much I would put the card holder in here at the back. There's a slip pocket. It actually fits perfectly. And then if you wanted the mirror, that fits right there. If you wanted a perfume, Fits right on this corner. There's still plenty of room. Your lipstick. The AirPods right here. I think this would fit. Not really sure though. I think it will. I think this would fit right in this corner. The hand cream, obviously it wouldn't. That's because this one is actually big. And then, yeah, there is a little bit of room right here on the side where it would still probably like fit some lipstick though. But right now, this is how it looks. So let me try to close this. It actually closed just like this. It looks fine. And I'm going to put the phone right here at the back's open pocket right here at the open pocket outside. So, oh my gosh, this is so snug, but this one actually fits fine at the back. So this is the iPhone 6 phone. And then how about the large one, the 7 Plus? No, it wouldn't. You could put, no, it wouldn't fit just like that. So this is just for reference use only. So let me just take off some of all the items here. I just wanted to see if this one, the phone, the large phone, would fit inside for reference. If you have a large phone, I think this one fits perfectly inside. It can be a little bit snug though, but I know that this side right here would eventually, let me see, yeah, eventually soften in time, so you could stretch that. It will definitely stretch, but right now I just see the fold right here. You can see the fold right there. I tried to expand that a little bit so it'll give you more room. And then yes, the phone could fit inside as well right there. So yeah, this is like a wallet and chain. I mean, this would not really fit a lot, but then if you're just running errands just for the day, this one is actually perfect. But one thing that I've noticed about this piece is that this one didn't have much, more likely a card slot inside. So I have my wallet and chain here. This is from Yves Saint Laurent, and I have this in for such a long time. It's pretty beat up, and as you open this right away, you see all those cards on the inside. I think there were 6 around here, 6 on each side, so that makes it 12, I think. And also in the other side right here, there were 6, I guess. I'm not really 100% sure, but there is a ton of card slots in here. And I think this one is actually the perfect wallet and chain so far. That's because you don't need to bring your card holder for this piece. You don't need to bring the any card holder, because look at the slots right there. All you have to do is just put your phone and your key, and then that's pretty much it. So yeah, I really like this one a lot. This would not really expand as much more as the Coach. That's because the width is actually, there's not much on the width. That is just the comparison for this piece. But so far, I believe that with the wallet and chain, this one is perfect. That's because there is a lot of card slots inside. But as far as being functional, yes, I like this, like when you go at night or an evening party and stuff. I think this one serves its purpose. But like I mentioned, a wallet and chain, just pretty much bring your key, phone, or your perfume or powder like that. I think this one is perfect. But I was just surprised that there is like a ton of cards slot inside. That was crazy. And anyway, that is my review and also my comparison and what fits on this beautiful Coach Kip Crossbody bag. So I hope this video might be a little bit helpful to those of you who wanted to consider adding this in your collection. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.